Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Green from Audiology Associates. We've got just one short little video here for you today. We had a lovely lady come into clinic. She's not had wax removal for quite a few years, but was feeling a little bit blocked up, mainly on the right side. Left side wasn't too bad. So this is the right ear. We're just gently easing this wax because I could see just by looking from the initial otoscopy, so looking inside the ear, I could see the wax consistency was quite soft. So thinking this was going to be a nice, a nice, easy, quick wax removal. But there's a little bit of a surprise at the end of this one, which you'll see shortly. So we're just gently teasing this this piece of wax here. As you seen at the start, there was pieces of this wax that were coming away very nicely. So we've hit this little section. Oh, I've got a little bit of wax on the screen there. Right, so gently easing this this block of wax, slowly trying to sort of, well, twiggle it out of the ear. So we are going to get our twiggle on in a second. So you can, yeah, just gently easing again. It's just holding on. There's a bit of resistance. I could feel it wasn't as small as what I thought it was going to be. So yeah, just still going, slowly working my way. I think at this point I was just sort of going, come on. Here it comes, slowly working its way out. Oh, come on. Okay, so as we got to this point, this is where I thought it was going to come out really easily, but I could still feel that there was resistance. So you'll see just underneath in a second there, you can see the long tail. This piece of wax is still coming. And here we are, still coming, still going. There we go. So all came out nice and easy, one big piece. You can just see behind, completely clear, nice and healthy. Eardrum itself, a little bit of a narrow bendy ear canal, which is not a problem. Just about see the light reflex on the eardrum there, so nice and healthy. So we're switching over to the left ear. Again, similar story on this side. Very soft piece of wax, doesn't look like it's blocking or occluding the ear. Quite narrow ear canal again. So we're working our way in. This one comes out a lot easier. So we are eventually going to work our way in. There we go, nice and easy. There we are, pops out. Nice small little block on this one. Just a little bit of cleaning up to do near the entrance there, but again, you can see right the way down. Narrow ear canal, nice and healthy, nice and clear. A little bit of greying on the side of the eardrum there, which is just, it can be common with, if you tend to be a little bit older, or it's just a natural occurrence. But again, nice and healthy though, no issues with the eardrum there. So we're just gonna spend a couple of seconds here now just cleaning up this last little piece. This particular type of wax here near the entrance doesn't cause any issues with obviously the hearing. We do need a little bit of wax in our ears. So I'm normally not too bothered about cleaning this off, but I thought I'd do it for yourselves. There we go. Perfect. Great, nice and healthy. Great, just about see the light reflex there again. No problems. Patient actually hearing better. And look at that. It's like, well, the way I explained this was like a little sausage. So we've got 1.25 inches, 3.5 centimeters. Tiny little block from the left, but that really long sort of almost sausage-like wax out of that right ear. Well, guys, thank you for watching this earwax removal. This is my debut solo video as well. So again, we do apologise we didn't put up any videos last week, but we are going to try and carry on as normal Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So guys, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and look after your ears, and we shall see you soon. Thanks very much.